What's going on, everybody? In this video, I want to show you this premier bamboo box. It comes with a combination lock. I'm going to open it for you. The password, the default password is 000. Now I'm opening it. This is a rolling tray. Below it, you will find three high quality looking jars. Okay, they are smell proof, and you will find the dividers, which is removable. You can remove these dividers. The dividers divide this box into four compartments. 1, 2, 3, 4. Right, so you can store stuff of different sizes. The combination lock, it matches the color of the bamboo. Okay, it can keep your stuff safe if you have your privacy. So the box is made of 100% bamboo. It can guarantee fashion and vintage while still taking into account of its sturdiness and durability. Okay, so this product, if you're interested in, you can let me know. And also, I really like the combination lock. If you forget the password, you can tap your phone number to recover the password, and they will send you a message. No, I'm just kidding.